Hi there! Planning to expand your construction business or start one? Well, you're in the right place. Because our turnkey FRP rebar production lines can generate from $20K per month for you. And here is how. Steel rebar is the most commonly used product in construction. It's used to reinforce concrete, which is part of every built structure on planet Earth. Nevertheless, steel rebar carries a great deal of disadvantages, and it is fiberglass rebar that outperforms it in environmental sustainability in every other way possible. Outperforms, you say? Yes! Our company is the largest supplier of fiberglass and basalt rebar production lines in the world. And you too now have a chance to get your own and return the invested amount in just 4 months after launch of the production. And this is why. The FRP rebar in all its variations boasts a great deal of advantages over steel. First, the price of steel on global markets never stops to ascend, which is of course reflected on the constantly increasing end price of steel rebar, practically doubling over the course of just half a year. Opposingly, the FRP rebar raw materials costs remain constant and low. Corrosion resistance, sustainability and strength of FRP rebar. Mesh and bent elements are 5 times stronger than steel, don't rust, and are immune to salt ions, chemicals and concrete inherent alkalines, acting as the perfect reinforcement in coastal areas. Zero decay. FRP rebar doesn't cause cracks in the concrete blocks and consequent breaking of the structure. Therefore, we extend the life expectancy of the blocks and eliminate the need for refurbishment. Transportation. FRP rebar is over 8 times lighter than steel, which means that you can transport 8 times more rebar to the construction site. This then becomes an integral part of your cost and profitability calculations, decreasing these factors to minimum. Finally, how exactly do you get started? We can deliver the FRP production line to you within 3 months, train your employees, and launch the production on a turnkey basis. Talk to us today, and we'll get you running in no time. Construction is about to get a serious overhaul.